Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone Redmi Note 14 with aesthetic design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with OLED display, 6.67 inches Full HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 87.4% screen to body ratio, approximately 395 ppi pixel density, 2100 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus color quality support, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony LYT600 sensor main camera with aperture 1.5 and support optical image stabilization, along with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 16 megapixel front camera which is housed inside the punch hole cutout on the display. Video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of HyperOS screen on top of the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.5 GHz dual-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra 6nm chipset, paired with IMG BXM8 256 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6GB, 8GB, 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128GB, 256GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable via hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.4 by 75.7 by 7.99 millimeters, and it weighs around 190 grams, and the color options, black, green, starlight white colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5110 mAh battery, with 45-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS L1, 3.5mm headphone jack, with stereo dual speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control support, and with IP64 dust and water resistant. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,199 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,399 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,499 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,699 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.